If there was a shortage on flax, I'm sure we can come to an arrangement. Oh, well, here you go. Actually, no, I don't have your stuff. But look, please, for the love of God, just put this tunic on. Christ. I'm sure that there's actually...
Maybe not. Okay.
That's fine. I can do another chest.
Yeah, but you'll have yours full. I still have shit that needs to go chasing.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait.
Oh.
And then as
Yep.
bits and pieces happen because, you know, only certain people can level up certain things. So we're not wasting resources.
Yeah, I'm happy to contribute the resources because I mined up quite a bit of like iron and tin and all that jazz, and just out of I'm going to do this on my own. You know, Whoops out there running grape. Yeah, but I got 129 health. How much health do you have?
160.
Ah, piss off.
Just to show you that vegans, we don't eat meat. I ain't got no meat. Vegans are stronger and have more.
And then, is there primitive chainmail hauberk?
This is just for clay here, people.
Iron ingots, 80 charcoal. All right, that's right.
Yeah, I got 70 charcoal right here. I got 70 right here.
Thank you, sir. Okay. I see. This is that this is that moment, where do you know that meme that has the 3 different X-rays of the human brain? One where it's like just actually. I do have a headband for you as well, so you can put the tunic and the headband, or just the headband and the diapers. You know, whatever works.
Look at that first chest there, buddy.
Oh yeah, we got some cheeky little, something. Oh, Merry Christmas.
Maybe not. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, don't worry, Don. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. You can take it. Right. Sure it does. It's got to. Where are you at?
I've gone to the base.
All right, so I cleaned out 2 of these boxes, I think. There should two of these boxes over here should be cleaned out. I'm gonna take all
Uh-huh.
this stuff over to the other side there.
Yep.
I'm gonna break on through to the other side. If you look at, not even close.
I mean, times have changed. I don't know what to tell you. There was
There's
wood
sap,
there.
There's sap in both of those there.
Oh.
Ah, here's a bunch of rock. And sand. I can't play past tonight. I might be able to play Sunday night, but I can't play Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, so I'm just collecting resources, running around, finding clay for Judge so he can do his thing. Okay, I'm getting
Delicious.
close.
There you go.
There
Thank you, Don.
do I have everything? Leg warmer's got it. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Are you done streaming?
Oh,
Yeah, that's
nice.
personal.
Oh, why is my ass awkward? Oh, okay. To open up a chest. The fact that my actual inventory just slides in from the right distracts my eye every time. So I'm always looking at my own inventory every time I'm opening a box, and I'm realizing, hang on, I've just been checking out my own inventory on repeat for the last like 6 boxes that I've checked. I'm like, the box inventory is actually on the left. And chicken? Actually, I don't even know now because the 3 foods that are now on cooldown do not match the 3 foods in the middle of my bar.
I have
I can't tell you.
I have blackberry, penny buns, and an apple.
It's like absolutely nothing similar to me. I have an elderberry, a black trumpet, and a. Finish connecting this staircase up here.
Ah, I see. You can't have both of those.
Naked through the fields all day long, so.
Doing whoopee things.
Yeah, doing whoopee things, you know. I'm just giving you shit. Please don't excommunicate me. Don't take me off the Christmas card list.
Kind of wearing this diaper like a badge of honor right now.
You can let me know. You probably won't be able to pick it all up, but let me know if any of that looks useful to you. Yeah, inventory's full. Gotcha. Yeah, there's the ingots there, wrought iron ingots, and actual. Really getting into that role play, huh?
I'm gonna switch back over. And
I'm just a lonely silver-haired man looking for a sugar mama while I wear a diaper in the middle of nowhere.
All right. Well, I'm gonna.
Tin and copper and everything. The ores are all over here.
Ah, nice. Yep. Cool.
Yeah, I'm condensing all of that shit down over into one area.
Yeah.
This is rocks. Those don't go there.
You guys are totally welcome to it. I would just love to get like a, I don't know, an iron pickaxe or something, because I've hit like level 24 mining with a stone pickaxe, and my life is, I'm questioning it, you know. So anything that could be done to sponsor a pickaxe, I'm happy to keep mining for the team, because
Parkour.
Cool. Well, I think that's all I need to do over here. You know what? Fuck that. I'm actually gonna. Oh, I need to get back to the other one and see if I can find someone who has an extra goddamn plot, so I can get it put down. So we can have. There's a cool plot of land that's built over here now that someone just needs.
Yeah, much appreciated. I mean, I appreciate the clay, by the way, but it's just I feel bad using it if we don't have enough to complete the bridge.
I need 10 wood. I need to go find 10 wood.
I might. Yeah, I just feel bad using it. That's 5 seconds ago. Oh, look, somebody's jumping up and down. Some goodies in here. Oh, look at that. There's some more random clay there. Deliciosa. Ah, you're making pickaxes now. Perfect. Okay, awesome.
Oh my god.
Oh. There's pummels for a sword.
Needs a plot to put it in it.
What do you think of this staircase, by the way? This doable? This took me all freaking day yesterday.
Yeah, I saw that. Thank you so goddamn much. And I noticed that it's like stuck because of the weird fucking line that's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, which sucks.
Yeah.
I almost wish I knew of someone who had.
You're making a box for these iron bits and pieces, are you? Whoop.
Yes.
Awesome. Copper. Nice.
Anything that has to do with ores or anything.
All right.
I'm just unloading shit wherever I can. The stamina.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, there goes Whoops channel. Oh. It's been.
I said, hey, look in that chest.
What?
Remember that? This one over here. Bro. This one over here.
Somewhere.
This one right
The
here.
one on the end? Ah, look at you go. Yeah, okay.
The one you
So,
just took.
I
The one you
mean-
took all of the. You took all of that clay out of there.
Did I?
Yeah, you did.
Man, I can't remember, for like
rebuild.
Mhm.
So it's going to be at a different angle, which also allowed us to kind of adjust the.
staircase, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look, Taco just got set up by Dawn. I think she's coming over and dropping stuff off for you as well. Yeah. Judge, she just dropped a bunch of stuff for you.
These for me?
Yeah.
That's useful. Go on and grab it. And if you need me to grab some and bring some across with you, then let me know. Or let Whoop know. He's good. He makes an excellent pack meal. Look at him. Fine specimen of a man. Made in my true image. I'm talking shit now. Please stop me.
No. Yeah. Yep. Questionnaire, I can tell you, of a game that I tested. And one of the things that I said the game needed
It was a glider.
potentially could have been something similar to what we were discussing. I don't know.
Oh, I see what you did.
What?
Don't look at me from
Ass
behind.
backwards. Put on the cape and you won't have to worry about it.
Oh, there's a cape as well? I don't think I got the cape.
Oh,
Oh,
she
I
didn't
did get
give
the
you-
cape. Oh, yeah, problem solved. It's fine, we're covered.
Just don't look at the shoulders.
Just, oh, no. I'll be honest, like, I've tried the combat with 240 or 50 latency. It does not feel good. So I don't know if I'm going to be much of a tank or anything, to be fair. Uh,
That's the same one. Whoop. Holy shit. That's a whole...
appreciate that. It's great to no longer feel like a complete scrub. We might need to have a word with your tailoring technique, though, because my ass cheeks are poking through my trousers. I'm not sure that's intended by design, you know what I mean?
Oh, shit. Sorry, buddy.
I'll make iron ingots out. I'll punch iron ingots into the other kiln as well, so we got both going. Because it's like 1 hour and 20 minutes or something. Oh no, there was just 15 minutes.
Take
Okay,
them on
that's not as
rockets.
bad.
Okay, I mean, not really. I'm just... it's my...
Chicka boom. Iron ingots. Not a whole lot, sadly.
Look at
I'm-
this.
I've-
Look at... I'm putting in these boxes also.
Oh, is it the impure iron? Yeah, we can shove those into our smelters up here, which are idle. This one on the left, whoop, if you want to just shove the impure.
Kaiser. That's enough.
Chicka boom.
It's my cholesterol
Medicine. Oh, it's terrible. I've just seen the mask reincarnated as Whoop as an old man doing it with his medicine things. Fun.
I mean, just to be clear, not in real life. I'm not a vegan in real life, because
No.
I mean, I'm vegan in a sense that my cows are grass fed, but so
Nice. That counts, right? That counts.
Like you can place
Yeah.
chests and furniture and tables and whatnot, but you can't build.
If it's
walls
uneven,
or-
it won't. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
You have to have foundation floors built out.
What does one need to do to be able to get themselves like just an upgraded pickaxe? Because my mining is
He just made,
let me
or I
just-
think he's about to
Skills.
make some iron.
that's no pig toy noise.
oh man.
Damn.
So I guess I could probably then just. Okay, now we need a place for rock and wood. At my inventory, I'm taking copper, impure iron, regular
you want me to help?
tin. I mean,
I can about load up the boxes.
everything that needs to be taken over there is in these boxes right here.
You've double checked there's nothing left over in these as well?
It goes over here, so that anybody that needs it can come over here and Anything that has to do with iron, tin, anything, all goes over here.
Once it's been sort of melted. Yeah, yeah,
No,
cool.
no. Look, all of look. See, it's
Oh, well, I'm actually not going to really expand the base much beyond this, to be honest, because I just want to start throwing the rest of the stone and clay towards the community. Also, Dawn, these chests have got some tin and copper, like tons of tin, some copper, and also some iron ore.
wood. Here's wood. Here's some wood. Right here, and this last one over here.
We need a separate box for. Jesus Christ, where did you get all this clay?
Told you, dude.
South of the river? I have to say it. Oh no.
Look at the shoulders. I don't know if you're getting the weird leggings, like glitchy stuff.
Do we have
They're
crazy
kinda
hands
cool.
this time?
Oh,
Crazy
Do we have
legs.
jazz? Do we have jazz hands this time?
No, it's jazz knees.
We'll turn around and we'll look at what's going on, because that's what that means then. You've stripped down naked and you're waiting, aren't you? You literally, that's what's happening. I'm going to turn around. yeah, I've guessed it, haven't I? Oh, what a surprise. Where are you?
Holy cow!
Yep.
Right here. It does look like I shit my pants.
Figured if I'm going to, maybe get a sponsored pickaxe or a spear or anything, I'll take anything just for survival purposes. You know what I'm really bad at with this game? And it's probably just a me thing, but every time I go, how? Jesus Christ. Are we going down a long way? Yeah, I guess we are. God damn it. If you ever went AFK in this game, I'd cage you.
Oh god! I almost fell off there.
I feel like with this cloak, I should be able to just grab the sides of the cloak and glide.
What is
those,
one of the? Oh no, I can't tell you guys that. Never mind. I had a questionnaire.
Wow.
I had a question.
Both the pegs, another box for the planks, another box for the actual sap. Because I blew through about a box and a half worth of just sap alone to make the coal to melt the ingots. I'm gonna be chopping trees for the next 3 years, so I'll be back. All right, let me. Oh, my inventory's full. Oh no. Not this problem.
Here, I'll pick them up. I'll pick them up and I'll throw them over at your thing.
Hello, welcome in.
I got it.
I
Oh,
don't know where I'm at.
throw the leg warmers back.
It's the box on the very end near the where the smoky things are. The hell are these things called? Kilns. That's the one. I knew that.
Wait a minute. Okay.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure I checked everything. Yeah.
Okay. What's that in there? Oh, that's berries that look like charcoal. Excellent. All right, let me just put the stone away.
Not blackberries?
Blackberry, bam, blam.
Whoa, blackberry, ram or lamb. No, whoa, blackberry.
You know all that clay that you gave me? Whoop, did you still have some left over? Because completing the staircase to connect all the properties up the
In that
back here.
chest. In that chest. I'm not using any of it. I put it
Which
in
one?
that chest.
This one over here?
No, but the same chest that it was in. Oh shit, I don't even know what this stuff is. No, they're talking about over here, Judge. Is where we're supposed to put it, and all this stuff is full. And all of this stuff is completely full. You're the jam. I'd like to eat on my toast and ham.
Oh!
Alright, I'm off.
All right. Oh, come on. I wanted to do it holding hands. That's not fair.
I'm gonna lurk in your Twitch channel, and then I'm
buddy.
gonna hop
No worries,
into
mate.
Don's Discord again, see if I can find somebody who has an extra plot.
No
mate.
worries, mate. Good luck. Thanks for the help.
Buddy. Thank you.
Don, if you're in Whoops chat and listening, thanks for the stuff, by the way.
Pickaxes.
Level 24 mining with the stone pickaxe. You can imagine.
Yeah,
I was literally
was
mining all
painful. I
day.
literally just got upgraded with an iron pickaxe. Not gonna lie.
Nice, nice.
I
So
know
is the
he had
next
made
one
a-
from the stone iron, or is there's no bronze or anything like
There's
that?
no.
Where am I going wrong? I'd like to get like a bronze. You could see my peasant attempts at trying to. Well, obviously, all of my resources went into this damn road all the way from the actual road below the cliff.
Well, it
to
would
up
all have to
here.
be made anyways. Like, you can't build on any if it's not a foundation. You can't build on it.
Christmas. I didn't mean to do that. God damn it. Well. All right. Whoa.
There's definitely not enough room for us to do this.
Don't have enough what?
Need another box over here, though.
Yeah.
No, I don't. Because
No,
what I'm
that's a
going
lie.
to do is... I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to take a... I'm going to take a whole thing of...
I take a who?
Bronze.
can-
It goes. Yeah, it goes straight to iron. So
And
you use
what's
that stone
required
one
to
for
actually
frickin'
craft it?
ever.
I suppose you need to get an actual forge going and all that jazz, because I unlocked the
It's
head of the axe. But,
it is a lot of
yeah,
mining that you have to do to
yeah,
get
I
all
thought
that
so.
stuff together, which is why we just kind of been having the community do it.
I've got iron ingots being made right here.
Delicious.
Yeah. We should have brought the fucking chest with us.
It's just the fact that it slides in and the box inventory
Making
just
another box
appears
for right there right now.
distracts my eyes all the time. I don't know. Maybe it's just a me me thing. I'll get used to it one day, maybe.
But I do know that there's resin in two places there.
Iron ore into the furnace. But also put the saplings and stuff. You need all of that? Yeah, sick. Okay, cool. I will bring some down. Ah, dear.
Because I'm smart.
Ah, it's a trauma I didn't need. It's not even my middle of the day.
Except I do it completely naked.
I
Yep.
think he was actually
Yep.
considering putting down a plot over here if he
Ooh,
could.
look at
I
this.
think he was looking at this grassy hill.
Fucking
This
finding
this
clay
part here,
everywhere.
yeah. Yep. Yep.
Finding clay
Good. Excellent.
everywhere.
Yeah, the other
Yeah,
thing
this
is
would be
I'd like to
nice.
see. Yeah, I'd like to see all of this filled in too, but we need
Yeah.
more people on the
Yeah.
game.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
I'm putting all the iron.
Oh,
and
ton of
ore
iron spears. That's good.
in,
I
and
might come visit then. Oh, I've got this wrought iron. Is there a way to trade with you directly? I've got these random bits of iron and stuff where I was just trying to unlock stuff. Oh, look, I'll just drop it on the ground. Hold up. That's all. I've got like some stone somewhere in one of these boxes in the middle here. I'm sure. There's flax as well. I don't know. I know that you're the tailor. I think you're the tailor. If you see flax or any herbs or whatever, just scoop it on out. Do not care. Don't want it. If you see tin or iron or any of the metals,
Add an extra plot just so we can see what kind of space we have over here, so you can actually put in a
yeah,
plot here.
yeah, that's right. And then actually have an overstretch
And I
across the
know,
top there.
and I think it was God. I'm drawing a blank on his name. See, Cersley, from
Yeah.
Dawn's group.
There. You just want to drown me like a rat.
well, I've got plenty of stamina to make it across.
Oh,
Look at that.
you're just a beast.
Excuse me, but
How
plenty
is
of
it that
stamina.
I have 94 stamina and you have 95 stamina?
What are you eating?
I'm eating.
There's a whole chest of 10 ore over there. Just sitting in line.
Yeah.
Come on, Jeffrey, you can do.
You did something dodgy just now, didn't you? I can just tell.
No, man, I'm just waiting for you.
Oh, okay. No, I don't even want to.
70 here. If I need to make charcoal, then I craft that. I need 10 more wood. I think I dropped more wood over here, didn't I? Maybe not.
With a longer beard. Impure iron. Am I standing where you are trying to put a box, by the way? I'm sorry.
No.
Ah, okay.
I need.
Barely lit up. Then the next one where it's like, got some activity showing, and then the last one where it's like.
And also, there, these
a
last
laser
two right
show.
here, both of these, there's no wood in either one of these.
There's no wood in either one of those.
No.